Hi everybody, thank you for coming to watch our video. This time, we will take you soaring to enjoy the beauty of Jalan Kelok 18 in Bantul, Yogyakarta. JLS Yogyakarta is a route that connects various important points in the southern region of Yogyakarta. This road offers stunning coastal views, with smooth paths and views of the blue ocean that are pleasing to the eye. Traveling on this route is an unforgettable experience for anyone who likes adventure with enchanting natural panoramas. Next, we will walk along Jalan Kelok 18, which is located in the Bantul area, Jogja. This road offers its own uniqueness. With sharp turns that form a winding path, this road provides a driving sensation that is full of challenges while offering stunning natural panoramas. From a height, you can see the green expanse of hills, shady trees, and small villages scattered around it. This is our continuation from the drone on Jalan Kelok 18, which is located in the Bantul area, Jogja. This time we can see from the air on Jalan Kelok 18 its current condition, namely extraordinary development. With sharp turns that form a winding path, this road provides a driving sensation that is full of challenges while offering stunning natural panoramas. From a height, you can see the green expanse of hills, shady trees, and small villages scattered around it. We can see developments on Jalan Kelok 18 with various developments that we can see at this time. And this road is not only attractive for drivers who like challenging routes, but is also a favorite spot for photographers and drone view lovers to capture moments from different angles. With every turn, the views presented are like natural. Apart from that, this location is quite close to Parentritis Beach, one of the most popular tourist destinations in Yogyakarta. After enjoying the trip on Jalan Kelok 18, you can continue your adventure to the beach, which offers stunning sunsets and calming waves. The surrounding area also offers various interesting tourist attractions, such as Paragliding Hill, a place where you can see stunning views of the sea from a height. With a backdrop of green hills and wide expanses of rice fields, a trip on Jalan Kelok 18 gives the impression of an exciting adventure, but still spoils the eyes with its beauty. Each bend offers a different view, from traditional houses, tropical forests, to the panorama of the city of Yogyakarta, which is clearly visible in the distance. Take this visual journey and see how beautiful JLS Yogyakarta and Jalan Kelok 18 in Bantul, Jogja are seen from the air. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss other interesting videos from us. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video provides inspiration and makes you love the natural beauty of Yogyakarta even more. See you in the next video. And keep exploring the wonders of Indonesia from a new perspective. Happy adventure!